How to know if someone likes you over text. Imagine this: someone you truly like and desire starts messaging you. It's a great feeling, but that leaves you wondering, what if they don't actually like me? What if they are just being friendly? It can be hard to tell if someone likes you, especially over text. And it can be really frustrating for most of us. Messages can be short and sweet, but they might also be more telling than what meets the eye. However, according to psychology, there are certain signs that can help you determine if someone really likes you over text. So, watch this video to learn how to decode them. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, "I subscribed," and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 15. They reply quickly. Do they reply to your texts immediately, or do they make you wait? If someone is really into you, the conversation will flow naturally. This means that you will text each other back and forth without it taking forever. They won't wait hours or even days to reply. When someone truly likes you, you can expect a quick reply. However, keep in mind that they may be preoccupied with something else and may not always be able to respond right away. Number 14. They let you know when they will be busy. In addition to the previous point, if someone is really into you, they will let you know when they will be busy and won't expect you to wait around for them. They might give a bit of advance warning, so you don't feel like they're ignoring your texts. For example, they might say something like, "I will be out of town this weekend, so I won't be able to text you back." Or something like, "I really need to focus on my work right now. Can I text you later?" This way, you won't sit around waiting for a response that never comes. And it shows that they really care about how you feel. Number 13. They start saying the word "we" more often. If you notice that someone is using the word "we" more and more, it's a sign that they might be starting to think of you as their partner. They might say something like, "We should go out on a date sometime." Or, "What do you think about this? We should try it." According to psychology, this usually happens when someone really likes you. They might even start to describe things as ours, like our date or our plans. This means that they're probably starting to think of you as more than just a friend, and it's a great sign. Number 12. They use nicknames. Do they call you by a cute nickname? This is another sign that someone likes you, and this might happen pretty early on in your relationship. They might use them in an indirect way. For example, they might call you babe, sweetie, or something else that shows affection. Watch out for pet names as well as words like honey or darling. All of these nicknames show that they care about you and what your relationship means to them. This is because nicknames are usually reserved only for someone we are close to and care about. So if they start calling you something special, it means that they really like you. Number 11. They start using heart emojis. This one might sound funny, but it is a sign that they really like you. When someone likes you, they will be more likely to send heart emojis in their messages, especially when they're being flirty. While most people use them just to show how nice a message was or how much they care about someone, these emojis can actually tell you how they're feeling. It also shows that they care about what you think of them and feel comfortable enough to tell you exactly how they feel through their messages. Plus, these emojis are a great way to communicate how much they like you without using words. Number 10. They start to open up. Research studies show that the less someone knows about you, the less they trust you. And when people trust each other, it can lead to a better relationship. If someone really likes you, they will want to get to know more about your personality and how you view things. This means that they'll ask questions like, "What are your hobbies?" or "What's your favorite color?" So if they're asking you questions about yourself and opening up, it means that they're getting to know you better and want a closer relationship with you. And that can lead to a lot of fun later on. Number 9. They text you first. Do they text you first, or do they wait for you to text them? If someone really likes you, they'll be the ones texting you first. Why is this so? It's simply because they want to put in the effort and show you that they're invested in your relationship. They don't want to wait for you to reach out because they like you too much, and it's a sign that they care about what happens between you two. Some people might use this just to play hard to get, but it's a much better sign if they put in the effort to reach out. This shows that they care about you and want things to work out for you. Number 8. They apologize for being gone. When someone disappears on you, It's hard to know what's going on. Are they just taking space, or do they not want anything to do with you? It can be pretty tough to figure out the answer, but research shows that apologizing for disappearing or giving a valid reason is a good sign because it shows that they care about your relationship and miss it when they're gone. This shows that they truly respect you. Number 7. They compliment you. Complimenting you is a great way to show how much they care about you. That's because it gives them a chance to express their feelings and let you know what they think of you. They might say things like, "You're so funny," or "You look really pretty today." While these compliments might sound simple, they actually show that they care about you. This is because people don't just give compliments to anyone or for no reason. Number 6. They find ways to prolong the conversation. If you only talk to someone once in a while, then it's understandable that your conversations are short. You might text them, "Hey, what's up?" and then that's the end of it. But if someone likes you, they'll find ways to prolong the conversation and keep talking to you. There are different reasons why this could happen, but the main one is that they want to show you how much they care and enjoy your messages. Number 5. They show concern. Do they ask you how you are doing or what you're up to? If someone likes you, then they might be checking in with you and showing concern because it's a sign that they care about your well-being. Research shows that people who form personal connections usually check in on each other and ask how the other person is feeling. If they're doing this, then it's a good sign that they want to get closer to you and might like you more than just friends. Number 4. They share things that make you laugh. Do they text you things that make you laugh? When someone likes you, they want to show you that they're good for your emotional well-being. This means that they will share things with you, like jokes or funny pictures, to uplift your mood. They might even share their deepest thoughts with you, to show that they trust you and want to be closer. This can lead to deeper conversations that build intimacy between you two, so it's a good sign if they do this. Number 3. Their texts seem personalized. If you notice that your conversations feel more personalized or that it seems like they're talking to you instead of everyone else, then it's a sign that they like you. When people like each other, their texts start to seem more personal, and there might be inside jokes between the two of you. It might also feel like they're messaging specifically for you because it seems more personal. For example, they might remember small details like exact dates or specific events that are unique to you. Number 2. They actually go to bed when they say they are. Did you know that saying, "I'm going to sleep," is one of the most commonly used excuses to get out of something? This is because people will say this when they want to get out of an obligation, but research shows that if someone likes you, they will actually go to sleep when they say they are. This is because it's another way of them trying to show how much they care about you and how much they want to be with you. According to research, people who like each other don't want to separate because they want to spend every possible moment together. This includes staying up late, talking to each other, and not going to sleep when they're supposed to. Number 1. They want to do more than text. And finally, if your texts with them seem to be leading somewhere or they want to do more than just text, this is a great sign that they might like you. For example, if you start talking about meeting up and hanging out more often, then it's a good sign because they will probably find you attractive and interesting. This means that they want to get to know you and want to spend more time with you in person, not just through text. Conclusion: if the person in your mind shows most of these signs, then it's probably safe to say that they like you. It might take some time to develop, but if their actions are pushing you closer together and not apart, then it's definitely a good sign. Keep in mind that everyone shows affection differently, so don't be discouraged if they're not doing all the same things as on this list. You might also notice small changes or things that we didn't mention, but be sure to use your own judgment when deciding if they like you or not. If you have made it this far, what other signs can you think of? Are there any you disagree with? Share your thoughts below in the comments. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.